breaking ice, feeding cows, hauling water. The things you gotta do to take care of cows when it's snowing. Got pretty good. You can see that. A lot of snow today. A lot of snow. Just sitting here waiting for the water tank to fill up. The good old Dodge green water tank. Got about probably 10 inches of snow, which is pretty good for this time of year. October, almost Halloween. Halloween's this weekend, this coming weekend. So we usually get a pretty good snow on Halloween. We haven't for the last couple years, but we did this weekend. It was very nice. We also had a really early snow in September, which is very odd. That's not the normal, but we're very grateful for this moisture. It's been a heck of a drought of a summer, so this is good. This is really good. I think it's about 0 degrees. I think it got down to -10 last night. Or maybe that's, yeah, it was pretty close to -10 last night, so. There's Lena filling the tank up, if you can see her. Had a snowstorm this weekend. Got us a lot of good snow. Moisture. I'm gonna feed the cows today. Chopping the ice. And the float. Don't break the float.
I know. I'm really nervous.
Well, don't. Maybe turn it on. Get the. Just get it turned on real quick so it can melt the. Here, you're gonna have to pick later. What do you think? Hydraulics warmed up. Feeding second pasture of cows, and then on to the bulls and more cows. They're slowly making their way.
Yeah, feed. Hopefully we.
Are they still hungry?
Yeah, if we can get back there, hopefully we can. Looks like the whole thing just wants to cave.
I know.
These girls have hay. Fill in the tank. Plenty of hay. These girls have hay. They're good. Probably need a bale tomorrow though. On we go. Oh! Almost tripped.
Where's your mate?
Where's your mate?